Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a little different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter or you don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for academic Earth right now and what actually matters about each, so you can pick one and get on with your studies. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research document completely free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get into it. Top 3 VPN services for academic Earth and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for academic Earth. Why? First, it works perfectly with academic Earth's platform, super important for uninterrupted learning. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested, with low latency, zero connectivity issues, no buffering, and smooth video streaming. Features, it has more features than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, cheap for what you get, and their support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? No logs at all, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and pretty affordable for all the features. Negatives? 10 device limit. Second best for academic Earth is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward no BS VPN built for pure performance. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistently low latency, no buffering spikes, no connection drops. Just smooth e-learning. Features? All the essentials, plus a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only academic Earth through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there. Often cheaper than competitors, but still delivering top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No logs, and they've got an independent audit to prove it. Encryption? Best encryption tech available, AES 256. Negatives? It's US-based, a Five Eyes country, which might worry privacy geeks. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for smooth, uninterrupted learning and great value. The third best is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. Tons of servers means you'll always find a fast, uncrowded option nearby. Features? Packed with stuff. Kill switch, awesome ad blocker, and hands down the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No way. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. The app's interface isn't as clean as the others. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Great if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and advanced features. And that's it. My top 3 for academic Earth: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on their logo or colors, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly for academic Earth. Quick recap if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN for the best overall VPN, with a premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it academic Earth VPN that's amazing value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a massive server network and loads of advanced features. My job's done. I gave you the answer so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can get the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.